Wondering if starting a side business is a good idea, and you thought starting a remote cleaning business is something that you do, but you do not know where to start or if it's actually a good idea. By the end of the video, I'm going to convince you that locking in now and starting and growing your remote cleaning business is a brilliant idea. The cleaning industry is booming, hence why you see tons of videos on YouTube on why you should start a remote cleaning business. The startup cost is not a ton of money, and you can be making $200 a day without picking up a broom. And if you take this seriously in the next 90 days, you can see the profitability of financial freedom with a remote cleaning business. If that sounds exciting to you, I'm going to break down exactly why starting a remote cleaning business is a brilliant idea and it's going to change your life. Hello, it's Shanique here, the cleaning authority boss, helping you, new and inspiring entrepreneurs, start and grow your remote cleaning business. So if you want to know everything sales, productivity, and marketing, then be sure to subscribe. I'm on the road to 10K subscribers, so your likes and shares and comments completely help. Other entrepreneurs like you find my channel resourceful with no fluff information. Let's get into the video. Let's dive into the first reason why starting a remote cleaning business is a no-brainer. First and foremost, the low startup cost. You can start a business with a few $100s, and you can also start with $0 when using credit. The best part, the profitability is unlimited. Now, I'm not going to over exaggerate the results. What you put in the work, the results will show in. This is still a business that takes time to build up. Once you put the effort in and you stay consistent, the money starts running in, even without doing the cleaning. Think about it. People always need cleaning services. Even through a pandemic, I ran my business easily through a pandemic because cleaning was necessary, an essential service. Whether it's homes, offices, post-construction, there's always going to be a need for clean. I started my business with just $11 an hour. Yes, I started solo, not knowing how to do things at all. Eventually, I took the route of getting more support in my business, automating it, making it run without me 24/7. Then things started to change. Receiving payments of $200 a day, $1,000, $900, $500, where it was so hard for me to even make $1,000 a month. I was making $1,000 a day. And I could not keep that a secret. And that's why I created a free launch your remote cleaning business in your spare time training. All you have to do is click the link in my description box and you'll literally get step-by-step process on how I went remote completely free. If this reason doesn't convince you, I don't know what will. It is completely remote and flexible. You can build a business for the comfort from my bed, managing my business. And that is just my complete honesty. If I am not doing walkthroughs, if I'm not creating content for you guys, I can comfortably work right from my bed, my home office, or go to a local coffee shop and still dispatch, still complete cleans, help providers, and create an income in the comfort of my own home or anywhere else in the world. The perfect thing about this model is whether you are going to do this full-time or use it as a side business, or you work full-time right now, you're in school, you can manage and run your business on the side. Again, I'm no fluff and I'm not going to sell you a dream. The more work you put in, the more the results you will receive. It's up to you on the results that you want. There's people that just want to see an extra $2,000, $3,000 worth of profit. And there's people that want to see $100,000 in their business coming in every single month. There's some people that are happy with $30,000 a month. Whatever that looks like to you, whatever that dream is, it is possible when putting in that effort. What else is going to help in your business? I highly suggest that you incorporate Jobber because it is a CRM system that's going to help make your life and your business so much easier. It is an automated AI generated tool that's going to help with your scheduling, your invoicing, your quoting, and so much more. With tons of other features like building out your website, AI support, marketing, campaigns, and collecting 5-star reviews with ease, Jobber is your business psychic. And if you don't believe my word for it, then all you have to do is click the link in my description box and you could try it for free, complete for 14 days. Now here's the real reason why you need to lock in right now, because the faster you start, the faster and quicker you get the results. Obviously, if you wait another 3 months, you are 3 months slower in your process. You're 3 months behind in your results. So locking in and starting today even with the most smallest step, like joining my free launch your remote cleaning business in your spare time training so that you get the information of what direction to go into. The reason why you want to lock in now is because the holidays are coming. It's one of the busiest times for cleaning services. There's holiday parties. Families want more time with their families, so cleaning is not something they want to do. They'll have abrupt family events where the next day, who wants to deal with all the cleaning? So they're going to help. Or they want to impress their families coming in from all over the world and they want their home to look spick and span. So starting now, locking in now is your best bet. Don't wait for 2025 and all the how to start your cleaning business in 2025 videos to come out. Start now. And again, I'm here to help you. Subscribe to my channel because you're getting all the tips, tricks, advice, and direction to starting your remote cleaning business from someone who's currently building their business as I go. And because of that, I understand the journey and I offer my resources at a reasonable price. So be sure to check out my training because I give everyone who watch an exclusive discount inside my Cleaning Authority Boss Academy, where I'm going to be partnering with you, helping you build out your remote cleaning business. All right. So there you have it. All the reasons why locking into a cleaning business is a brilliant idea. What you first need to do is understand it doesn't take tons of money to start. It is the most flexible business working remote. And once you lock in now, you take advantage of the busy season coming up and avoid lagging your results by starting in 2020. Imagine getting leads into your business daily. How would your life change? Thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you guys in my next.